Dear viewers, today we will discuss a very important topic related to mathematics, concept of set. Here, first of all, we will discuss what is set. Then we will read about different sets. Set is a collection of well-defined, distinct objects or symbols. The objects are called its members or elements. You can say that set of natural numbers, these are the elements or members of a natural number 1, 2, 3, etc. Recognize some important sets and their notations are set of natural numbers. We denote natural numbers capital N 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. This is the set of natural number. Set of whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1 to infinite. Set of integers Z is equal to 0 to negative infinite and 0 to positive infinite. Set of prime numbers who are not divisible by any table. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Set of odd numbers. Odd numbers are who cannot divide by 2. Set of even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Set of rational numbers P over Q such that PQ belong to Z and Q not equal to 0. This is the set of rational numbers. Examples of set. First 5 natural numbers we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers set 8 to 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. Set of chairs in a classroom. Set of books in a bag. Set of vowels in English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. These are the examples of set. Sets can also be described using set builder notation, which involves specifying the properties that elements must have in order to be included in the set. For example, we can define the set of even numbers as x such that x is an integer and x is even. This notation reads the set of x such that x is an integer and x is even.